Is the Nike Calm Slide the ultimate comfort slide, or is it just an overpriced flop? Let's go ahead and find out in today's review, and as always, the links for these slides right here are down below in the description. First off, we just have to start this video off by talking about the design, and as you guys can see on the table right here, this is the Nike Calm Slide. I caught these, to be honest, about a couple weeks ago, to be honest, and these were about, actually, I'm gonna save that for the end of the video. But with that being said, as you guys can see, we have a black colorway. Pretty simple. I am a simple dude, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick this black colorway. And yeah, this is the box, you guys can see. And the Nike Calm Slide has a simple yet simplistic aesthetic with a smooth synthetic upper and a soft cushioned footbed. The slide features a wide single strap with this iconic Nike swoosh, offering that clean and minimalistic look. This slide comes in several colorways, including neutral tones like black, white, and gray, making them versatile enough to pair with almost any casual outfit. And when I mean any, you guys, I definitely mean any. When I was in the Nike World Collective in my area, I definitely saw a bunch of different options, and they actually do have a mule for these slides right here, which I'll show on the screen right now. Personally, I'm a fan of the minimalistic design, and it doesn't scream that attention, but it definitely gives you that Nike feel that makes you want to wear it every single wear. When it comes to comfort, Nike claims that the Nike Calm Slide is made for all-day wear, which, I mean, it's not surprising. They are Nike, they're a brand, they're definitely gonna say that they're comfortable. But in this scenario, guys, I definitely can say they are definitely not kidding. The footbed is made from soft foam material that molds to the shape of your feet, providing a plush feeling with every step. Plus, it has a contoured footbed with arch support, which is a huge bonus for those who are on their feet for long periods. And I'm sure we've all been there, you guys. The strap is also padded, which adds to the overall comfort. It doesn't pinch or rub against your skin like them other slides do. I don't know if you guys have realized this, maybe it's been in a pair of sneakers more commonly, but I'm pretty sure you guys have had your heel look like this, and it just makes your feet just hurt a lot more when you wear a pair of sneakers, or just doing simple things like maybe putting on a pair of pants. But with that being said, this is definitely not the case for these right here. I've had some time to actually wear these, and I've actually never felt any discomfort. The sizing, however, is pretty standard. So if you're between the sizes, I definitely would say you might want to even go up a size just for a more relaxed fit. And for me personally, I definitely would probably go a size up. Let's say if you're a size 11 to maybe a 12, just so you have a more comfortable fit, because I realize that the slide is kind of more smaller, if that makes more sense. But with that being said, yeah, I definitely would go up a size. If you are even 11, I would definitely go up to a 12, and according to whatever your size, I just would go up a size up. And I'm telling you, the cushioning on these right here is amazing, you guys, and it feels like you're walking on clouds. And I know I say it a lot, but I'm definitely not joking, you guys. But with that being said, stick around, you guys, because I'm going to definitely talk about those pros and cons that you guys have seen in the title of this video. So stay tuned. But before we go ahead and talk about the pros and cons, which will help you decide if you want these for yourself or if they're just of interest to you, let's go ahead and talk about the durability. And also, before we get into that, make sure you guys just keep in mind that if you do want to go ahead and check these player slides out, you can go ahead and check out the links in the description. And I do appreciate it, you guys, because it helps me create videos just like this. Durability is always one of the key factors when it comes to slides, and with this Nike Calm Slide, this actually is one of the parts where it shines. The EVA foam used in the footbed and sole is not only lightweight but also very sturdy. It's designed to withstand daily wear, and whether you're using them for lounging around or at home or taking them out to the beach or the pool, this is going to be a perfect and a very ideal option for an all-day type of scenario, or basically any for that matter. Now, I've worn these about to say a handful of times, and I definitely would say there has been no signs of bad durability issues, just bad build quality. There have been no cracks, no bad wears, or just any alarming issues. So if you do want a slide that's good for all day wear, I definitely recommend this to you, as I haven't seen any alarming sounds so far. Now, let's go ahead and dive into the pros of these Nike Calm Slides right here. And now first off, we gotta talk about the comfort. and the comfort is definitely a big win for the Nike Comp Slide right here. You got that cushion footbed that really delivers, and you got that contour design that supports your foot in just the right places. And as you guys can see, that contour design is right here. It's kind of a little bit on that more like wobbly side, so it's definitely not flat, but it has that little kind of like rounded off type of edge to it. Whether you're going to be walking around, standing, or just lounging, these slides will keep you comfortable all day. And next, the design. As I mentioned earlier, these slides have the perfect minimalistic aesthetic, which means they can be paired with almost anything. Whether you're going to be wearing them to the beach or running errands, you'll look effortlessly stylish. And then there's durability. They're sturdy enough to withstand those outdoor activities, so whether you're maybe at the pool, maybe the gym, or just lounging around, this is perfect for all-day wear. Plus, they're super easy to slip on and off, which makes it perfect for maybe a workout or just maybe an everyday activity. So, those are the main positives, but the question is, are there any downsides? Well, let me tell you, there are a couple, so stay tuned and let's get into these downsides. And by the way, I do want to tell you guys the links are down below in the description for you to go ahead and cop a pair. While the Nike Comp Slide excels in many areas, there are some areas that you need to consider. First, the footbed is cushioned, but it's not the most supportive in terms of arch support. If you do indeed have flat feet or just need more of a structured type of a feel, this definitely might not be the best choice for more extended type of wears. Now, second, the price point is around $60, which makes these slides on the higher end of the price spectrum for a pair of casual slides. You're definitely paying for the Nike name, and while they're great quality, you can definitely find some other slides that are just as comfortable for a little less. So if you would like some extra suggestions, just go ahead and comment that down below, and I'm sure some other people will respond, or I'll definitely respond and let you know. Finally, the strap. The strap is definitely indeed padded, but for some people it may feel a bit tight. If you do have wider feet, the strap might have a feel that is a little snug, especially after long periods of wear. So is the Nike Comp Slide worth it? If you're someone that looks for that comfort and durability in a minimalistic design, then yes, it is definitely worth the investment. This is a slide that is stylish, well made, and just comfortable enough for daily wear. But if you need some more arch support or are maybe looking for something a little more affordable, I definitely would say you might have to look and explore some other options. But stick around to the end and I have a solution for that. Ultimately, if you're on the market for a comfortable slide that offers that style and performance, the Nike Comp Slide is definitely an excellent option. Now, do you think after this whole review, the Nike Comp Slide is worth it? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section below. And if you have tried these before, let me know about your experience with them. And also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe if you do want to see some more sneaker reviews and also just some lists and just sneaker content and also that whole fashion realm. And also, do not forget, you guys, I did say I do have some more sneaker inspo. So go ahead and click here, and I'll see you in the next one with some more lists and things of that nature.